Have you ever wondered what the world's greatest investor is doing right now as we approach 2026? Not the headlines, not the rumors, not the quick tips people share online, but the real moves that define decades of wealth creation. Today, we're diving deep into Warren Buffett's advice for investors in 2026 and why his actions speak louder than any market prediction. If you're serious about your money, about your future, then this video will give you insights that could change the way you think, invest, and prepare. Stick with me because around the halfway point, I'll share a practical strategy based on Buffett's principles that anyone can follow, even if you're not a professional investor. And if you find yourself learning something new, hit the like button now. It tells me you're ready to take your investing seriously. Buffett's approach has always been simple, yet profoundly disciplined. He isn't chasing trends, he isn't speculating on hot sectors, and he isn't reacting to every market headline. Instead, he focuses on quality, long-term growth, and preparation. Right now, as 2026 approaches, Berkshire Hathaway is sitting on a record cash reserve, more than at any point in recent history. For most investors, this might seem boring or even frustrating. Cash isn't exciting, it doesn't make headlines, and it doesn't promise quick gains. But in Buffett's world, cash is power, optionality. It represents the ability to act decisively when markets offer extraordinary opportunities. He's sending a clear message: be ready, but be selective. Wait for value, don't chase hype. And that message couldn't be more relevant for today's economic landscape. One of Buffett's most repeated principles is long-term thinking. He famously said, "If you aren't willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes." That simple sentence separates long-term wealth builders from those who panic at the first sign of trouble. Markets are volatile, economies fluctuate, sentiment swings wildly. Yet, investors who maintain a long-term perspective, focusing on strong, durable companies, tend to build wealth consistently. Volatility, in Buffett's eyes, is not a risk, it's an opportunity. When prices drop, quality companies can be bought at discounts that are rarely available otherwise. This mindset is especially critical as we enter 2026, when global economic uncertainty and market fluctuations are expected to continue. Buffett also teaches that true value matters more than cheapness. It's not about buying the cheapest stock, it's about buying the right stock at a fair price. Quality, competitive advantage, and consistent earnings are what sustain wealth over decades. Right now, many sectors are trading at historically high valuations, which is why Buffett isn't aggressively buying. Instead, he waits. He waits patiently, confident that the right opportunities will eventually present themselves. And that's a lesson every investor should internalize. Discipline and patience often outperform impulse and speculation. Understanding what you own is another principle that cannot be overstated. Buffett never invests in companies he doesn't understand. While many investors chase trends like speculative tech stocks or volatile cryptocurrencies, he sticks to businesses with predictable cash flow, strong fundamentals, and clear long-term prospects. This approach minimizes risk and maximizes the chances of consistent growth. Pair this with his advice to avoid leverage, never borrow to invest, and you have a blueprint that protects investors from emotional mistakes that can wipe out wealth faster than market corrections ever could. The way Buffett behaves right now is as instructive as any quote he has ever made. Berkshire Hathaway's record cash pile and restrained buying activity tell the story. He sees opportunity, but only when it aligns with disciplined valuation standards. He's waiting for the market to provide exceptional value. This isn't fear, it's strategy. Preparation beats prediction every single time. And while he gradually hands off day-to-day management to Greg Abel, his influence remains profound, guiding markets and investors worldwide. Observing his actions offers insight into how disciplined patience can yield tremendous advantages, particularly in uncertain times. Every investor can take these lessons and apply them in practical ways. Start with savings. Before you invest $1, make sure your foundation is solid. Build an emergency fund, pay down high-interest debt, and position yourself to invest consistently. When it comes to investing, focus on high-quality companies or low-cost broad market index funds if you're not confident picking individual stocks. Resist the urge to time the market. Markets will continue to fluctuate. They always do. And those fluctuations are not your enemy. They are your opportunity to acquire strong assets at reasonable prices. Buffett also reminds us of the power of compounding. Wealth isn't built overnight, and it isn't built by chasing trends or reacting emotionally. It's built by consistently investing in quality assets, reinvesting earnings, and maintaining patience. Time is your greatest ally when paired with disciplined strategy. As 2026 unfolds, investors face high inflation, rising interest rates, and market uncertainty. But those who adhere to Buffett's principles, discipline, patience, focus on quality, and liquidity, will navigate these challenges successfully. Behavior is perhaps the most important aspect of investing. Emotional reactions destroy wealth faster than any market correction. The difference between an average investor and a successful one is largely psychological. Staying calm, making rational decisions, and avoiding panic is what allows compounding to work over time. As you reflect on your own strategy, ask yourself, am I acting like Buffett? Am I focusing on fundamentals, long-term growth, and disciplined investing? Or am I reacting to fear and hype? That introspection alone can dramatically influence financial outcomes. Looking specifically at 2026, the advice remains consistent. Stay cautious, but ready. Focus on companies with strong fundamentals. Maintain liquidity to act when markets misprice opportunity, and resist the temptation to chase speculative trends. Simple steps can be transformative. Prioritize savings, invest in what you understand, embrace long-term compounding, and act with patience and discipline. There is no shortcut, no sensational tip, and no guaranteed prediction. There is only preparation, behavior, and principle-driven action. As we wrap up, it's clear that Buffett's guidance is not about sensational headlines. It's about practical preparation, strategic patience, and thoughtful decision-making in a world full of noise. Treat cash as a tool, let valuation guide your choices, remain patient, and focus on quality. These lessons aren't just theoretical, they are actionable and timeless. Following them won't make you rich overnight, but they dramatically improve your probability of building lasting wealth. If you've learned something valuable today, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Invest like Buffett, but think for yourself. Plan, prepare, and let disciplined strategy guide your journey toward financial success in 2026 and beyond.